We've been using plastic Keurig coffee pods, reusable coffee pods for years, and we have been in the long haul process of converting everything in our kitchen from plastic to stainless steel or glass. And so these stainless steel reusable coffee pods have been awesome. They are easy to clean. They have these tiny, tiny little holes on the sides and on the bottom so that your coffee can come out nice. They have these lids that are also stainless steel with this little rubber gasket on the inside. It comes with 2 extra rubber gaskets in case these get damaged or lost. They fit in really nice, super easy to use. You make sure that these 2 little arms right there are on the sides when you use them in your Keurig, not just thrown in there however you want. Come with a super heavy, nice, sturdy stainless steel scoop. It looks like a 1 tablespoon scoop, so you know exactly how much coffee to measure out and to put into these. We are very happy with this product, and if you're interested, I'm gonna put the Amazon link down in the description.